Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm at Formnext 2023, Print and Go's booth. They make management software for fleets of 3D printers, print farms. Not just managing the 3D printers, but also load, unload accessories such as robots. Branch Robotics is here, mobile cobots, as a solution for loading and unloading printers, 3D printers in print farms. The build cycle in 3D printing is long enough that an autonomous mobile cobot is a great part management solution. One cobot like this, mobile, can handle 100 printers at least, or Branch Robotics says. The key to making this work effectively is just setting it up so that the cobot knows well how to reliably grab the build plate. Ultimaker, it just so happens, is very good for that glass build plate. Branch Robotics just had to 3D print these little pegs that held the edge of the build plate just high enough for the robot to find it.